Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about Cash App multi-currency tutorial. Right now Cash App mainly supports USD and GBP, which means you can use it across the US and the UK. If you are in the US, your default currency will be USD. If you are in the UK, it will be GBP. To switch or confirm your currency, open Cash App and tap your profile icon. Scroll down to account settings and look for the currency section. From here, you will see your active currency, and as an option to switch between USD and GBP, select the one that applies to you. Now, when sending money, if the recipient is in a different country, Cash App will automatically handle the conversation based on the current exchange rate. You will see a breakdown before confirming the payment, including any fees and converted amount. If It's important to note that Cash App currently doesn't allow multi-currency balances. That means you can't hold both USD and GBP at the same time. It will always convert to your home currency. For receiving money from a different country, the process is also automatic. The sender pays in their currency and you receive it in yours, minus any conversion fees. Also, if you're using a crash card, remember that it only works in your local currency region. So US issued cash cards work in the US and UK issued cards in the UK. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.